What's going on, Fast Life Gang? Welcome back to another video. This is the day after the trunk or treat. I appreciate every last one of y'all for popping out. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that sub button. Look at that box back there, boy. That box back there is a new mod for the Jailbreak. So we're gonna be doing that in today's video. We're gonna go up to Buffx, use the shop to install it. Don't be staring at me, boy. Y'all stay tuned for this. Let me show y'all a little sneak peek and jump. Yup. This ain't even all of it either. That's like 20% of it. Y'all just stay tuned for the merch, man. As you can see, I still got this hoodie on. This is my favorite one because it's black and white. These are the type of hoodies I wear every day. Anything black and white, I damn near wear every day. Yeah, y'all, we in the Jailbreak. We on our way to Buffx right now. I might just throw on a Buffx shirt while I work on the car just to be official. You know, I'm an employee now. Yes. Yes. What's up, bro?
How you doing, Birdie?
You good?
Yes.
You ready to install a splitter today?
Come on.
Let's do it. You know, last time I did it, it flew off like.
Yeah, we're not doing nothing. We're not doing that janky shit no more. We doing.
Look though, but I did it the right way. It fell off in like 5 minutes as soon as I put on.
I do $5 all around. What's going on, man? Same old shit.
I like the hat.
Thank you, man. That's Naomi Osusku or whatever
What?
her name is. Tennis ball player.
Naomi.
The one that date Corday.
Yeah, that one.
I don't even know who. Oh, Corday
YBN.
YBN.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is what all y'all been waiting for, man. Y'all been telling me to get another splitter, so this is what I did. You know. You know, it's crazy. The splitter not even this long, bro. The box just
Yeah, the splitter probably like right here to back over there. That's what I broke last time.
Chill out. Look at this. This is Habibi money.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's $1,000. You think that's $1,000 for real?
No.
But this a blue strip, bro. This $100. This is $100. Is this a blue strip?
For you, it's
This is $100.
I'm gonna be straight the up. It's 1,000.
This 1,000?
Yeah.
Like,
That's how Logan works. I don't even know, but I know there's like 5,000, 50,000.
so this is $1,000.
No, but like their currency
Yeah.
is different.
Their currency different, so this could be like $1 type.
Yeah. $1 euro is worth like $10, $15 there.
So this is probably like 20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Looks at the sucker. Can't even spend that on
Why
nothing.
do they have this? If it's only like 20 bucks, this gotta be 1,000, bro. I'm low key finna stuff this bitch. Finna go to Egypt and shit.
Boy, if you don't get.
We're looking for a knife. Oh, found one. All right, y'all. Slice her open. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! New splitter and shit. Let's rip it out the plastic.
We can get the knife, bro. We're gonna need some strength attributes.
That was way easier, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You said I need some strength attributes?
Yeah.
See, I need some VC.
Yeah, you need some more VC.
Y'all, this is the same exact splitter that I broke the first time, so hopefully it don't do the same thing.
You bought like from the same side and everything?
Yep. Feel the material. You think it's
How did it break last time?
I don't know, it cracked.
That one decent. Yeah, that's good. It probably was already cracked.
And it's gloss black, boy.
This ain't the same one.
The last one was matte black. I ordered it gloss so I can wrap it.
Oh, it is the same one. Okay.
Yeah. Yo, we done came brand new splitter and shit, you feel me? So I need to take a thumbnail though on some real shit. So let's
Hey,
go.
come on.
Focus, Bobby. Cameraman Bobby today. All right?
I'm always focused.
Oh!
Hey, stop the cussing so I don't have to.
I'm always
cut.
focused.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we in Buffx. What we're gonna want to do first is empty our pockets, take this hoodie off, and then we're gonna put on a Buffx shirt because right now we're working at Buffx, so we have to wear a Buffx shirt.
So should I empty my pockets and take my shirt off?
I mean, I got you. Yeah, do it. Yep, there you go. Strip.
What?
Oh yeah. since we're at Buffix, we must wear a Buffix shirt, all right?
Yep.
Since it's the blue-eye jailbreak, we gotta wear the blue shirt.
No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go. Oh, and it low-key nice with your fit too. Here you go, Bobby.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead, get dressed, boy. Hey, mind your business. Don't be looking. Don't look. Oh yeah, Bobby. Show him your muscles. Oh yeah. Buffix employees. Make sure you guys come up to Buffix and mention Fast Life Nick to get 10% off.
Mention my name for 80% markup.
Oh!
What is the markup?
The price goes up, nigga.
Should we lift the car up?
I don't think we need to, for real.
All right, best. So we just gonna get up under here and instantly get the drill in. Y'all let me know down in the comments if I should wrap my splitter. Should I wrap my splitter right now?
I would say wrap it to either this or the white.
No, for sure the white.
Oh yeah, do the white. That'd be hardest. Hardest.
I'm not gonna wrap it white today. I'm gonna let them choose in the comments whether they want it white or not. Y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to wrap my front splitter white to go along with the pinstripes. The whole front splitter is gonna be white.
Say yeah.
Say yeah.
Say yeah.
Let me know down in the comments though, for real. First, you wanna grab a drill. Hold on, I need the battery for the drill. Load the Glock, just like that. And now we're about to look for some self-tappers. It's some self-tappers right here, but I don't know if they're long enough. You think they're long enough? You said no? Oh, here they go. You think that's long enough?
Yeah, them long enough.
Or are they too long? That's low-key long enough. What am I looking for again?
Probably the thing that you gotta fit on the back here.
Oh, yeah. 8 milli. We need an 8 milli. Let's see. Nope. It's probably a 10 milli. 9 milli. Yep, it's for sure a 10 milli. Yep, told you. I need to lift the car up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Someone here gave one of your friends my number, and he was texting me some crazy. He's like, "When can I be a real street nigga?"
Bro, my supporters be harassing people, bro.
That's saying he was FaceTiming me all day.
Bro, that's irritating.
I swear to
man.
God.
If y'all watching this, bro, leave us alone. Like, come on, bro. Y'all even harassing the detailer on the other side. He say he get calls all the time asking about me and being a real street and stuff like that. Like, bro, just leave us alone, bro. All right, so first what you want to do is you're going to grab the splitter. Make sure you align it right. Is that aligned right?
Push it forward a little bit. That's yeah.
Just like this?
Yeah. Well, you want to do this side first and then come through that side? Because since I'm holding this.
So I'm about to put my first one in. I can't even see, but... Tapper number 1 is up under there. Let me get Bobby's side real quick. There we go. Tapper number 2. Bro, I got a strong feeling this gonna fly off of this.
Out of they under good.
Bro. It's not aligned right.
Oh!
That's all I was saying. There was a gap right here.
It need to be pushed this way a little bit.
That side straight. It's just this side.
As you can see, it's not aligned right. It's a gap right here. I can stick my whole finger in it, and then it's not a gap right here. It's actually rubbing, so we're gonna want to adjust that. We got it aligned now. I ain't gonna lie, I should have low-key went with the satin one. This one's way too glossy.
I mean, you gonna wrap it in a minute anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it white, so. Bro, this shit is so tedious. I hate it, bro. Bro! Bro.
Put one on the other end so it don't.
We approximately got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these in here. We still, I feel like we gotta add about 10 of them, 10 more of them in there. We got one more left.
You low-key straight.
Cap.
I said that last time. I don't know where I would put the last one at.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just add some more up at the front because I feel like that's where the air grabs the most.
Put it somewhere. Yeah, right here.
I feel like you can still use some more, so we gotta find some more. We about to just get the tag in this with so many, bro.
I know you good right here. I say put another one like right here or something.
Put one more in the middle.
Yeah, like right here.
That bitch went in there.
I'm about to say that bitch way easier. I'm about to say put one more right. Put one more right here.
We almost secure, Bobby. It feels stiffer and stiffer every time I put a new one.
You should be good. That motherfucker not coming loose.
You don't think so?
No.
Huh?
Jalen calling you.
Bro, I suck so bad with my left. That shit's crazy. Oh yeah, it's looking smooth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I feel like I still need like 2 more though, just to go around the edges on some. You feel?
Nah, you good.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I got PTSD, bro.
Bro, you good,
I can't
bro.
be
You
ripping
put,
through
bro, you
hundreds
put
of
30 of them in it, bro.
I still need to do 2 more.
Bro.
2 more, I promise. Just 2 more. Only 2 more. I want to look thoroughly and see what sides look loose. All right, so it look like it's gonna need one back here. You see how it's like kind of down like that? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna zip one back here. Keep that in your head. All right. We're gonna do one right here, and then we're gonna pick a random spot for the last one. Bro, I swear to God, bro, Bobby, if this flies off, you don't understand how mad I'm gonna be. Like, we did it. We literally put a whole bunch under this, like, a lot.
That's what I think. How many did you put last time?
A lot. This was more professional. I put bolts in my last one, so this might be good because they're all tappers.
Yeah, you
so.
good. They ain't gonna come off.
Since the wind is gonna blow mostly right here, I'm gonna just put one. You think one more like up here? Just one more to be safe?
You said the last time got 2
All
more.
right, this is the last one for real. All right, Bobby, this is the last one. If I decide to pick up another one, just slap me, bro.
All right.
Slap me, all right?
Don't worry about it.
I think I need another one, bro. One more. No. One more. No.
You're good, bro. It's not coming off.
All right. We completed. Bro.
What you got going on, bro? I mean, what you got going on, bro?
Why you fingering the hole, bro? It's not my fault, bro. I don't even know what happened, to be honest. Like, to be real, look, y'all. I went to the trunk or treat yesterday, and for some reason, something was dragging. Come to find out, my parking sensors, I don't know how they fell out or even started dragging, but look, you see the loose wires right here. It's just retarded. Like, random stuff just get the dragging, bro. Like, I don't even care. The parking sensors didn't work anyway, so we installed the splitter. We just gonna get into something today to end off the video. That was like a real short video. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about the splitter. I'm gonna drop it as soon as Brick get done doing whatever he doing. I'm gonna get pictures and stuff like that. But let's go see what Brick doing right now. What you down here doing?
Changing my drive shaft.
Y'all, his bearing broke just like mine. I think it's like a 300 thing. So he's fixing his bearing right now. He putting the upgraded
And I'm gonna
bearing.
show y'all don't have to drop the exhaust in order to change your drive shaft.
You really don't. I watched a YouTube video on it. You literally just unbolt it and then drag it through the back, like how that is.
I did it before.
So he about to go ahead and fix the bearing on his. And then guess who just pulled up right now, you know?
Hey, I caught him lacking earlier.
Ugh. Y'all, did his breath
That's my
stink,
boy
y'all? I know y'all remember this from when I had to do this. Damn, I can't even record a video around you. You just all cussing. All he do is cuss. That's all Brick knows. Cuss, 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 cuss. I can't even record him.
He's about to get yellow mark.
He's my roommate, and I can't even do videos with him because all he do is cuss. He don't know how to censor anything that come out of his goddamn mouth. I'm about to tell y'all to unsubscribe from Brick in a minute if he don't get his act right. Oh! I just told his supporters something that you might not be happy about. I said, if you don't censor your profanity, then I'm gonna tell them to unsubscribe. This is horrific how you keep on cussing. This is YouTube. Kids are watching. All you do is F-U-B.
They like hearing it.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Well, YouTube don't like hearing it.
Well, they like hearing it.
If they want me to continue to bring content, you have to shut that. All that cursing. You hear me? Yes. I censor normally now. I'm a YouTuber. I just heard a kitty cat. Meow. My coochie got wet.
What?
The kids are watching you.
You the most hypocritical person I know. You just told me to stop cussing and then you just go ahead and say something.
But that wasn't cussing, bro. That was me being sexy. What you thinking about, bro?
I need a thumbnail. Buffex is holding us hostage, so we gotta lift up the car by hand and put it on the ground.
They're using the jack right now, so we're about to try to lift up the car and take the jack stand out, so. All right, come on.
This is why you don't do that. SRT, don't pull up on me.
Bro, they finna take this clip and put some crazy
Man,
Look with your knees. Oh, I heard it.
What am I recording?
Fill the tent, we ain't doing that. We gonna break our bank.
It's that engine. That's my fucking
Man,
goddamn my fucking
that's that 6.2 supercharger.
yeah, my fucking motor, goddamn. Damn, look at my hand.
We can't take out the jack.
Say wallah.
Now we need like 10 minutes.
That is, the jack cannot come out right now. We have to pull the motor back up.
No, 10 minutes.
We can't take out the jack.
What we gotta do is bolt it up. We got it. Here. First time, right next to the Hollywood sign.
Bro, this look like a bug.
We supposed to be real shit. Y'all dancing to this.
Can I put my hands up? It's a party in Buffex. It's a party in Buffex. Yeah. Bro, you're lazy. Y'all thieves. Come here. They stealing all my leftover goodies, bro. I only got this much left. They stole my candy. Hey, come here. Give me my candy.
Why are you running?
Give it to me.
Why are you running?
All right, y'all, we about to leave out right now. We got the front splitter on. Every time I put a splitter on there, it falls right off.
Same shit with me. It fell off like 4 times. You know what I did? I put double side, like I filled up the whole thing with double sided tape, and then put like a fucking 1,000 self tappers.
See, I just put a whole bunch of self tappers in there. You think it'll fall
You
off?
gotta use the tape too, bro.
Damn.
You have to.
So you think it's gonna fall off on my way home?
No, not on your way home. But as soon as you hit like 120, that's falling off.
If this falls off, I'm damn near not even gonna do another one. All right, y'all, we hopping on the freeway right now. We going 70, we don't hear no flapping, so right now it's good. Hopefully it stays like that. All right, so far ain't nothing going on, so I'm not really gonna freak it because I'm gonna test that for when I actually get some double-sided tape so I don't have to go through another splitter. I'm gonna just hit y'all up when we get to Woodward. YouTube, as you can see, we done made it all the way to Woody. My splitter is still on, thank God. I went 85 and it still stayed, so it might be good. And it's low-key not even flapping no more. Let me see. They look way better on the Chargers. I think you should get one.
I'll get the whole kit.